So here are 3 things you must have before you spend a dime on ads. And if you don't have any of these 3 things and you still go ahead and run ads, you might as well just throw your money out of the window because you're gonna get the same ROI. And the first one is confidence. Confidence in what you sell, what you offer. And by confidence, I don't mean, oh, I feel like this is going to work, or I think this is probably going to work. By confidence, I mean you've done it for yourself and you've helped at least dozen people achieve the same result, to a point where you actually have a repeatable process of helping your ideal clients go to point A to point B. That's critical, right? Because when it comes to articulating your offer and also having the social proof, it's just key. The second thing that you want to have is actually ad budget. You need to have at least 3-month ad budget to invest into marketing and to actually get those insights and learn from your data. Typically, when you launch your campaign for the first time, for the first couple of weeks, you're just learning what your market resonates with, which creatives works the best, which target audience is going to convert the best. So for the first couple of weeks, you might not get any sales or even any results that are profitable. But by the week 6 or week 8, that's where you should expect to see an ROI. And so if you don't have enough money to get up to that week 8 or week 6, see through, and you'll be feeling like you're just wasting money on ads. So really have that 3-month ad budget to invest. I see better as an investment in any business that actually wants to grow to the next level. It's like when you have a brick and mortar business, you rent a place, for your business. It's just the same for me. Like, you're investing into marketing to get your offer seen by more people and getting more sales out of it. And so the third thing that you want to have is a good game plan, a good strategy when it comes to actually turning your investment, that money, into cash in the bank for you. Because if you just run ads and hope for the best without any strategy on the back end, you're gonna have a really hard time. It's gonna be like an emotional roller coaster where you feel like one day it's amazing, the next day it's like the result dip, and you have no clue how to improve or even which KPIs to look at. So really having a good strategy and being knowledgeable about how to cost if everything goes wrong, and actually want to scale. I see so many business owners that are having amazing results with their campaign, and they're like, oh, I don't want to scale this thing because I don't know if I should even get better. But I'm like, okay, you're in a place where you should just put more money behind this thing and get it to the next level. But if you have no clue, if you are not either guided, and if you don't have the knowledge around how to get your campaign to the next level, it's going to be really hard for you to make it happen.